All right, we're gonna call this day 53. I haven't done a video in a while. I actually hurt myself. I drilled all the way through my thumbnail. I can't see. For some reason, it does not want to focus on my thumb. $1,000 phone can't focus on my thumb. Anyway, so I've been working the last couple days, and we got the cabinets and countertops completely in. Got the sink set in. It's not mounted yet. And then Elizabeth has been putting in all of the outlets and covers. She's got most of those. And she put in the lights in this one that weren't here. So this unit is getting really close. So we need to caulk the trimming. I still have some work to do in the bathtub area, so that's still a decent amount of work. But this little unit is actually getting pretty close to being done. And then I was in the big unit trying to lock this door today. Follow Elizabeth. Finally got our lawn mowed too. Oh, neighbor's doing a bonfire. So in here, I cut all the holes for the wafer lights, and then Elizabeth went in and started installing them. And she got these installed. We don't have any light bulbs, but got that one installed. And the bathroom vanities set, that one installed. And then while she was doing those, I cut the countertops and mounted those. And then I had to build a little kick out thing for the dishwasher. So we're gonna put a backsplash there too. That nice nasty orange, as cool as that is gonna go away. And I got the lights in here going. So this unit is a little further behind, but it still is getting pretty close. Oh yeah, yesterday, so we got the toilets in. That one's running. Obviously the sink isn't yet. But all of the toilets down here are in and functional. So we have to obviously do some trimming and stuff, but we are getting close. So day 52-ish. Let's see if this stupid phone could focus on my thumb now. So I went right down through the top of the nail and then out the side. It was pretty nasty. So that's why I took about a week off. Not quite, but